Satyambada Dharmachara. Good morning, friends. Supravat. I am Vipul Kumar. Welcome all of you to the news desk on income tax. This news desk cover all updates from 10th August to 14th August. Let's start news. Ministry of Finance issued notification on 14th August. CBDT in this notification amends jurisdiction of the Income Tax Authority under Section 120. Jurisdiction of income tax authorities have been defined under Section 120 of the Income Tax Act. Following the implementation of the faceless assessment to all taxpayers as announced by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, the Central Board of the Direct Taxes has amended jurisdiction of the various designation of the income tax authorities. CBDT issued direction on 11th August 2020. In this direction, officer of the investigation and central charges of the income tax department are directed to make electronic communication. The CBDT has issued direction that all communication by the officer of the investigation and central charges of the income tax department should be made electronically, and social distancing norms should be followed without diluting significant proceedings. Next case, Chennai Tribunal, Section 54 exemption is available even if some wasn't deposited in the capital gain scheme. Tribunal held in this case that assessee had substantially complied with the provision of Section 54 subsection 1 by purchasing a new house property within the prescribed time period. A mere non-compliance of the procedure requirement under Section 54 subsection 2, there is some delay in depositing amount in capital gain account schemes could not stand in a way of assessing getting benefit under Section 54. Madras High Court held in a case that ITAT can't conclude that exchange of asset-wide settlement deeds result in transfer without assigning reasons. In this case, tribunal held that without assigning any reasons, concluded that property exchange between assessee and his brother in terms of settlement did not attract provision of Section 2, Clause 47. Matter was to be remanded back for the disposal afresh by Madras High Court. Ministry of Finance issued notification on 13th August 2020. E-assessment now faceless assessment. A scope extended to cover best judgment assessment also. The CBDT has revised E-assessment scheme 2019 notified on September 12, 2019. Now E-assessment scheme shall be called faceless assessment. Now the National E-assessment Center shall intimate the assessee for conduct of the faceless assessment in case wherein notice has been issued by the assessing officer. The board has also extended its scope to cover best judgment assessments. Delhi Tribunal Commission paid to the director for promoting sales allowable if it was in terms of the board resolution. Tribunal in this case held that if direction in terms of the board resolution were entitled to receive commission for rendering services to company, and if it was in terms of the employment on basis of which they had been rendering services, then such a remuneration commission would be part and parcel of salary. Gujarat High Court held that unexplained cash received cannot be set off with the unaccounted cash payment in absence of any correlation. In this case, where there was no correlation between the unexplained cash received and unexplained investment of assessee broker unearthed during the course of search, assessee was not entitled to claim set off of said income against unexplained investment made. Where there was no evidence on record with regard to payment made by the assessee broker to 1G for acquiring development right even by any remote corroborative evidence in form of any noting on sheet paper found during course purpose of search, and G had denied fact of the receipt of cash from assessee. Assessing officer must justify in making addition of said sum as undisclosed investment. Madras High Court in another case, assessing officer to pass fresh order without getting influences by ITAT observation in case of open remand, where assessee raised a plea that while remanding matter to the assessing authority, tribunal had given certain direction and its view about exchange fluctuation to be treated as a speculative loss or business loss, and therefore it was not an open remand which was likely to prejudice case of assessee. Assessing officer was to be directed to pass fresh order uninfluenced by any observation made by tribunal. CBDT issued order on 13th August 2020, Directorate of Investigation and TDS Commissionerate to act as income tax authority for survey under section 133A. The CBDT has directed that the officer posted in the Directorate of Investigation being and Commissionerate of TDS shall act only and exclusively as income tax authority for the purpose of survey under section 133A. PM launches transparent taxation honoring the honest platform, introduced taxpayer charter dated 13th August 2020. PM launches transparent taxation honoring the honest platform, introduced taxpayers charter. The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has launched platform for transparent taxation honoring and the honest to carry forward the journey of direct tax reform. The Prime Minister has unveiled faceless assessment, faceless appeals and taxpayers charter. The event has been witnessed by the various chambers of the commerce, trade association, chartered accountant association, and also eminent taxpayer apart from the officials and officials of the income tax department. CBDT issued an order on 13th August 2020. All assessment order to be passed by the National E-Assessment Center under faceless assessment scheme. The CBDT has directed that all the assessments shall be passed by the National E-Assessment Center through the faceless assessment scheme 2019. However, the board has provided two exceptions as well. Assessments order in cases assigned to central charges and international tax charges. Prime Minister Office press release issued on 12th August. Prime Minister to launch platform for transparent taxation honoring the honest via video conferencing on August 13, 2020. The Prime Minister will launch the platform for transparent taxation honoring the honest via video conferencing on the 13th August 2020. This launch will further carry forward the journey of direct tax reforms. Thank you so much for watching News Days on the income tax. This News Days cover all updates on in this week. Please share these updates among the professional police or students so that they get updation on the regular basis. Thank you so much.